Flare 2020, major enhancements have been made to the Find and Replace feature, including a new Find and Replace in Files window, which has both Find Text and Find Elements in the same pane. The new Find Elements tab not only makes it easier to find particular elements like custom tags, MadCap-specific features like drop-down text and concepts, but also things like markup, inline styles, and style classes. Then you can easily take action on these elements using the Replace Action fields without having to know complex regular expressions. And in addition to improved performance, organizational, and aesthetic changes, a new Create Backup option was added to both the Find Text and Find Elements tabs. So let's have a look at these new enhancements in MadCap Flare 2020. In my project, I have a number of H3 tags in all of my topics, and I want to change them to H2 tags. I can use the new Find Elements tool to do this quickly. One of the first things you'll notice is that Find Elements, which used to be here, is now in its own tab in the Find and Replace in Files. So here's where I can choose what I would like to find. We can look for a number of things. In this case, I'm going to find all H3 tags, and I can set the Replace action. And we can take a number of actions here. And in this example, I'm going to go ahead and replace it with H2. I can choose to do this in the whole project or in selected areas. I can also choose what file types I'd like to take action in here. So we can do topics, snippets, micro content, master pages, or we can take action in all supported files. This is where we can choose to create a backup if we choose before we do the Find and Replace. So I'll just do Find All. And we'll notice another change here is that the View First Result per line and also View All Results has moved to the Find Results window. So once we do a replace, we'll see that all of my H3s have now become H2s. So we hope you enjoy this new feature in MadCap Flare 2020.